Okay, this is a review for Chemical Guys product. It's I bought it from Costco, tire and wheel kit. So this is the citrus clean, this is the hyper dressing, this is the V.R.P dressing for vinyl, rubber and plastic, tire brush, applicator pad for max coat wheel guard. So we're gonna start from the cleaner and see how it's gonna work. I don't know if we have to pre-rinse the tire, I mean the wheel first. I guess we try it like this. That's, you can see how dirty is it. And we can use the nice brush, apply a little bit here, and we're gonna agitate a little bit. And for the actual tire, we're gonna use Super Clean, diluted 4:1, and the tire brush. And to make it absolutely nice, we're gonna clean wheel well. Super clean. Amazing stuff. There's really tight space. I cannot. After you wash the wheel and the tire, do not leave it wet, because the water will leave the water spots when it's dry. So use an old microfiber towel to dry it. If you have air, it's even better. It's gonna be quicker and easier. I have an air. I will use the air with the microfiber. And on this wheel I wanna try the V.R.P. You can use any applicator, foam or microfiber. In this case I'm gonna use the microfiber applicator. This dressing, it's actually really good. I tried it before, and little goes long ways, so you don't need to use a lot of product on the tire or any other plastic stuff, especially when your applicator is saturated with the stuff. It's little goes long way. I will show you right now. I'm just gonna use a couple drops here, and you apply it on the whole tire. It's not super shiny, but I like it. It's will be dry to the touch. It's not gonna splash on the car when you're driving, and it's gonna look like this. After you wash your car, you can use on any plastic like this right here, and the result is amazing. It's look like new. And right now I wanna try the Max Coat wheel guard. Okay, this is, you see, it's still brand new. Nice looking green stuff, and this is the Chemical Guys applicator. And see how it's working. Clean it, buff it with the microfiber towel. Okay, it's ready to go. This is it. And we're gonna give you a review a week or two later if it's really working or helping. Okay, and this kit, this is the Chemical Guys kit. I purchased it from Costco. It's, I believe, $33 or $35. So you can buy it from Costco. It's a really good price, or you can buy it directly from Chemical Guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.